Do you have a business for which you have filed an incorporation or an LLC? If so, there is a new filing requirement that is approaching fast, January 1st, 2025. And if not filed correctly, there's going to be some steep penalties and even possible jail time. So now let's talk about and understand what this new requirement is all about. To start things off, let me explain to you what the beneficial ownership information, also known as BOI with FinCEN, is. BOI is required by FinCEN under the Corporate Transparency Act to help combat illegal activities like money laundering. So what is the Corporate Transparency Act? Well, it was enacted as part of the Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2020, also known as the AMLA. The AMLA came into effect more recently to strengthen financial transparency in the U.S. Basically, they want people to come forward and state who owns the companies and/or who controls them. So there's 6 things that you must know about the BOI. First, we're going to talk about the consequences for not filing or filing incorrectly. So not filing the BOI accurately can lead to serious penalties. These are $500 per day, and if you file late or incorrect. In addition, there is a jail time risk. According to the IRS, if non-compliance is found to be willful, it could even result in criminal charges, including jail time. Intentional falsifications or omissions are considered a serious offense. So now let's talk about what you need to file with FinCEN for your BOI. Now, beneficial owners and control persons are considered the ones that own 25% of the company. So ownership, 25% or higher, they will have to file. And individuals who exercise significant control over the company, they hire executives, they make major decisions as to how the company functions. Those will also be considered individuals that need to file with BOI. Now, what are you going to need? You need the legal name of your entity. You are going to need the name of the owners, 25% owners or individuals who control the company, their date of birth, their current home address. Identifications such as driver's license, preferably that matches your home address, a passport, or any identification that is legal and is used in the United States. Now, you will have to upload a copy of one of these IDs for each person online. Remember, the BOI can be filed electronically through the FinCEN's website, but always double check if additional documentation is required. Things can change. Review each item carefully. Even if small mistakes are made, they can cost you. Organize your documents. Keep records, IDs, and ownership structures correctly so there's no errors. And remember to get a confirmation that you have filed with FinCEN. Seek professional advice if the BOI gets complicated or if you don't truly understand about complete control of your company. A professional should help you understand and make sure that you file and that you add additional owners or control individuals that should be included in this filing. The deadlines for this, it will depend on when your company was created. There's also some exemptions, such as publicly traded companies and companies with 20 employees and very important, and $5 million worth of revenues in a year. Banks are exempt from BOI filing. Now, going back to the deadline, let's talk about when you need to file and what the new rules are. First, if your company was pre-existing to 2024, your deadline is January 1st, 2025. And this is coming fast. If your company was registered after January 1st, 2024, you have 30 days to file with FinCEN, handling changes and updates to BOI information. If you move or any of the owners or individuals who control the company move, you must update the BOI filing. You have 30 days to file any updates. Remember also, if there is ownership changes, that will be very important to make sure to update with FinCEN. And if you don't already know me, my name is Sonia Advice. I'm a licensed CPA and wealth building strategist with over 25 years experience. If you have any questions about how to take advantage of the latest tax saving strategies, don't hesitate to contact us. To get your free complimentary consultation with a member of my team, simply click the scheduling link in the description below and pick the time that best works for you. We would love to help and meet you.